Hey YouTubers, alright, so this fill is derived from the 6-stroke roll. But what we're going to do is we're going to chop it in half and we're only going to play 4 notes. We're going to stop it at that first right double. So it's going to go right, left, left, right. Right, left, left. We're going to accent. Then we're going to add in a hi-hat and a kick. Then we're going to add in another snare. Then we're going to add in on the tail. That fill will start on the end of 2 when you're playing. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Nice beginner fill. Have fun. Peace.